How to use multiple stops in Uber. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss an update. So first of all, open up Uber on a device. Now simply tap on where to. Now first of all, enter the pickup location. Now select the location. Now enter the destination. Now simply go back. Then tap on the plus icon here. Then tap on add stop. Now enter the location. Now once you add a stop, simply tap on done. Now select the ride, then tap on continue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.